When something goes wrong at your property, every delay has a cost, and everything lands on you at once. Residents are impacted, revenue is lost, and your team is expected to respond immediately. You're managing resident expectations, aging infrastructure, and increasing regulatory pressure, all at the same time. When something goes wrong, it's not just a job. It's your brand, your occupancy, and your bottom line. Restoration in multifamily homes isn't just about fixing damage. It's about protecting people, maintaining trust, and having the right partner in place before something happens. First Onsite is built specifically for multifamily environments. We operate across the country with local teams backed by national scale, ready to respond 24/7 wherever you need a response. Work happens inside occupied units, safely, respectfully, and with clear communication throughout. We follow strict compliance standards from day one, so nothing gets missed. And we move quickly, mobilizing teams and delivering clarity early, so you can make the decisions with confidence. We've stabilized large-scale events within hours, coordinated work across dozens of floors even when elevators were down, managed crews around the clock to accelerate reopening, and help restore hundreds of units in a matter of weeks. Because when things go wrong at scale, experience matters. From the first call through final sign-off, our teams coordinate every moving piece, every team, and every detail to stay ahead of the problem. Fast responses, clear timelines, and consistent communication, so nothing falls through the cracks. Consistent, compliant, and ready to partner with you. Because when everything moves fast, you need someone who's already moving.